Hello everyone, I want to tell you today how to create a music bot with Discopop Maker. So first of all, these are going to be multiple tutorials because there is so much stuff you can do with music in Discopop Maker, and I don't want to make like 30 minutes video just for one easy thing. So first of all, we're going to go to DBM, and if you go here to Project and check Module Manager, you see what you have installed. If you already have Discopop mods installed, Discopop Maker mods, you will have these both too, otherwise you will just have these three. This is completely normal and it will work with that. You need Discopop Maker beta version, the latest one, to use more modifications. You will have this version there, and yeah, we'll just try it. So, we create a new command and call the command play for now. So, well, or just join. Join is easy right now. Okay, join. The first thing we just going to do is create, and then we have here a new section called audio control. We're going to use join voice channel, and that's all. You can just save that bot. I have everything open in this thing because it's a little bit better as a console. So I started the bot, it just went online. I go into voice channel and click join. The bot will spam some errors. I can make it a little bit bigger, and it says FM pack not found. So how do you fix that? Actually, it's very easy because, as we said, we just have these few modules there. So what you have to do is File, Insert FM pack in Project. If you've already used Discopop Maker and music before, you won't have to do that, but that's important right now. And if you can check your project folder now, you have these cool FM pack stuff here. And yeah, now if you check project open module thing, well, nothing changed at all. Maybe you need to restart the software. However, I just restarted the bot. It's starting. There we go. And perhaps it will work now. Join. And it's here. Wow. Magic. Okay, so how do you play music? Basically very easy. Click here on play. And then we get a new command. Call it audio control. Play URL would just work with directly, well, MP3 files or perhaps only with MP3 files, but you mostly want to play YouTube video. So now we have this default thing here. It's the Ye movie. We will use that. And it's SQQ. The other one may be bugged a little bit, but yeah. So we're just going to save that, restart bot. Okay, so now it's just installed. And hopefully it will show the correct modules now. Yeah, okay, that's probably it. So you need to click on update and install. Now we will restart the bot and everything should work.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
Okay, that's all. That's the video here prepared from SID. I didn't change that, it's just in there. Okay, so that's all, but you don't want to play always that song, right? So we will just going to add a store command parameters function, and store multiple, well, the first parameter should be enough, and call that on input. You can set that as whatever you want. I will just call it input, because now we can go here and just insert the variable here and play random YouTube videos. So for example, we can play that.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I'm dying inside.
And for your information, if it's lagging or like disconnecting, it's your internet or your computer, so it's not a Discord error or it's a DBM error. But yeah, it works. 5 seconds silence. You see? Okay. If you want to stop the music, just Control C here and everything will die. So, but you don't want to do that all the time, so you may want to have a stop command. There you go, create, and audio function, and stop, control audio, stop playing or pause or resume, and then we automatically also leave the voice channel, if not just at that action. So that's a very basic thing here. But it should be good for you if you just started with music. So important, press both buttons here and install it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all for this tutorial. I will tell you next time how to use a now playing thing and a cue command. Yeah, and if you want to search for YouTube videos, like not import that like that, or just well, just do play like this, play hello, and it will search that on YouTube. You can check here in the Water server, on the mod server in support. We have both channels that pinned, I guess. Nope. Search YouTube. Yeah, exactly. How to get that key and blah blah blah. That's important. Okay. So guys, see you next time. Bye.